Hi everyone, do you want to have a supercharged brain? Today we are going to learn some amazing memory boosting tricks that will help you improve your brain power, concentration, and focus. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about memory. Memory is like a treasure chest in your brain where you store all the cool things you learn. But sometimes it's hard to remember everything. Here are some tricks to help you to boost your memory. Use mnemonics. What are mnemonics? These are memory tricks that help you remember things by associating them with something familiar. For example, to remember the colors of the rainbow, you can use the phrase Richard of York gave battle in vain. Turn the information you want to remember into a funny or interesting story. Your brain loves stories and it's easier to remember them. Use repetition. Repeating information helps your brain remember it better. Say it out loud, write it down, and review it multiple times. The more you practice, the better you will remember. Next, let's talk about concentration and focus. These are super important for studying, doing homework, and even playing games. Here are some tips to help you stay focused. Take breaks. Your brain needs rest to stay sharp. Take short breaks while studying or doing homework. Try the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5 minutes break. Repeat this a few times and then take a long break. Find a quiet place. It's easier to concentrate in a quiet environment without distractions. Find a peaceful spot where you can focus on your work. If it's noisy, use earplugs or listen to calming music. Stay organized. Keep your study space neat and tidy. Use a planner or a to-do list to keep track of your tasks. When everything is in order, it's easier to focus on what you need to do. Get enough sleep. A well-rested brain is a focused brain. Make sure you get enough sleep every night. Aim for 9 to 10 hours of sleep to keep your brain in top shape. Eat brain-boosting foods. Your brain needs the right fuel to work well. Eat healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, nuts, and fish. These foods can help improve your brain power and concentration. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep your brain hydrated. Dehydration can make it hard to concentrate, so always have a water bottle with you. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is about paying attention to the present moment. Try activities like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga to help you stay focused and calm. Remember, these memory boosting tricks and focus tips will help you become a super learner. Keep practicing them, and you will see amazing improvements in your brain power, concentration, and focus. Thanks for joining us on this brain boosting adventure. Now you know all about how to improve your memory, concentration, and focus. Stay curious, keep learning, and have fun exploring the wonders of your amazing mind.